So whatever you say.
Good morning. It is 7:30 p.m. and we are at the rugby club again for social touch, extra fitness, extra agility, extra ball skills. Another day, another death. I'm gonna keep on running around till we feel some pain, and then we gotta focus on staying accurate. That's very important. So I'm just putting my boots on right now, and then we'll make our way down to the field. Okay, we've arrived at the field. People slowly turning up as well. Oh my goodness. Stepped in on. Maybe a pipe broke. Either that or we had some rain that I wasn't aware of. Look who I ran into. None other than the Freddy and oh, it's bad lighting. And also none other than.
Didn't see you there. Didn't see you there. Sorry about that.
Play the clip.
Let's ouch! Hey yo, my name's DJ Ilchase. If you're after something to inspire you for your journey, read your Bible. Plain and simple. However, here's a phrase that I like to live by that helps me with my everyday living. Let's ouch!
We're rolling. Oh, that floated, eh? Kind of floated. Rennie. Good to see you, mate. I got the slap. Ooh, pressure. Come, Freddy. Nah, I got him. Oh. Oh. You mind here? Ooh.
Not bad.
Surely. That's explosiveness at its finest. Hey. Mine here. Ready. That was. Oh. That was delicious. Can I get a replay on the inside ball? Ooh. Woohoo! Got it here, got it. Woohoo! Am I rolling still? Yeah, that was a good roll. Oh, inside, eh? Oh! Oh my, slipped through my finger. All right, Freddie, you take over.
Don't be mad at the mirror, change the reflection.
Oh.